it's actually Malibu Mike here at Ace Marine. We just took it on trade. A one owner, freshwater, 9.8 Mercury. This motor's been gone through completely top to bottom. Of course, tune-up, plugs, rebuilt carburetor, some new fuel lines. Obviously pressure tested the lower unit, which was perfect. We filled it with fresh gear oil. We've even installed the automatic Lanyard system to update the motor. It's really a one-pull engine, and you know, with just normal maintenance, these things can easily last 40 years. So we're just going to run it through its paces. Just going to start her up. We're going to run it, and you see, idle's great. Put her in a gear, and we're going to run her right up. As you can see, it makes a lot of power. It's a very powerful engine. So we're back to neutral, and we're going to pop her into reverse. Excuse me here. Now we're in reverse. Water pump is brand new, of course, and you can see obviously the water overcharge indicator. The water pump is brand new, complete kit. So we're back to neutral. I'm going to turn her off and then show you how easily she starts again. So we're going to turn this off, and without any throttle at all, I'm just going to give it a gentle pull, and starts up. Pop her into gear. Terrific engine. Good luck with it.